Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a gift card holder using our Advent printable. Just real quickly, the gift card holder is actually really super simple to make, but it has "For unto us a child is born," Isaiah 9:6, and then you just go ahead and you can put a gift card in there and place it in a card or just give it to someone just like that, especially if you are handing out gift cards to maybe people who are unfortunate this holiday season, and maybe going out and get some of those $5, $10 McDonald's gift cards or grocery gift cards and just passing those around. I think this would be a perfect thing to give with that. So the printable, real quickly, comes in multiple parts because there's many different projects you can make with it. The first one is the original, so this is what it looks like as the printable, and then you have your calendar, and this actually fits in a planner. These are 1-inch boxes where you can put each one of these in the boxes based on the day, and like cover up your planner that way. And then it comes with little circles 1 through 25 for the days, the countdown 1 through 25 for the countdown, and then some extra cute stickers there. And then it comes with the gift card envelope, which is what we're going to be talking about today. And then you have the 25 days of Christmas, which are verses that I would encourage you to put on your Advent calendar, and that will be in a different video. So let's go ahead and look at this one here, which is the gift card envelopes. Basically what you do is you just print this out. I've printed mine out on cardstock, and you cut it out. So you can actually put this through a machine like a Silhouette machine or a Cricut machine and cut out the edges and get really nice clean edges. You could totally do that. I think it's faster just to cut it out by hand, but it's entirely up to you. It just depends on your preference. But it is this piece is designed for print and cut, and so is this piece here. These two pieces are designed for print and cut, but the other pieces really aren't designed for that. It's too difficult. So that's what we have. And when you are folding in a gift card, it's really easy. You can fold it with a scoreboard, or I just like to fold them. They're actually not that hard to fold. So you basically just fold it along the solid lines, and you just one fold here, and then you open it up, and then you can do the other fold here on the tab. So then you have these little tabs here that just have to be folded like that. And then this one that just needs to be folded like so. Super easy, right? Okay. And then what you can do is you can take some tape and fold down these edges like that, which is the way I prefer to do it. But if you'll notice, a lot of gift card holders actually don't do it this way. They like to do it this way. So you put this down here, and then you can then put the tab up like this. And that would work as well. I mean, it's totally up to you how you like to do it. I actually prefer to do it this way because I don't like to see those edges. So what I'll do is I'll just grab some double-sided score tape. You can use double-sided tape. You can use a glue stick if you want to. I would recommend, if you're using the glue stick, that you use a bit more glue. I did try to do mine with a glue stick, and it just doesn't hold up as much as the score tape does. So the score tape is my favorite, and the double-sided tape is my second favorite. So I'm just going to pull off the edges. Whoops, let me just pull off the entire piece there. And fold this down till it meets the edges, at least close enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. And there we go. Now I have my gift card holder. And again, you just take your gift card. This is a used one. And you just put it in there, and it makes a great gift for anybody this Christmas season. So, and there's the back for you. All right. So I hope that this was a quick and simple way for you to fold a gift card. Again, it's up to you if you want to fold it with the inside like I do, or showing the tabs. It's up to you. And I hope that you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.